How to add members to IMO Group. Want to add more friends to a group chat? This guide shows you how to add members to an IMO group so you can chat with more people. First, open the group chat that you want to add members to. At the top of the contact, you will see a group's name. Tap on it to open the group settings right here. You'll see a lot of options like adding members, muting the chat, and more. In the group settings, you'll find Add Members or Invite Friends button. Tap on it to open a list. Make sure that they also have IMO installed on their phones. Once you've selected the contacts, tap on Add or Invite button. The selected contacts will receive an invitation to join the group. Once they accept the invitation, they will also be added to the group chat. You now know how to add members to an IMO group. Get ready to chat with more people. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.